So, I want to share with you a common task that a lot of people are hearing all the time that they just simply don't know how to use. So, it's called the copy paste method. Within my digital marketing community, we use the copy paste method often. So, I'm going to teach you how to do that. I went ahead and created a viral hook batching content file from my Google Drive because it was there. So what I usually do is I go to ChatGPT and I write my prompt in, and it helps me with my 3 pieces of content that I design every day. So my digital marketing business is a program that you make $900 a day. You spend 2 hours a day on your business, and in those 2 hours, you are generating 3 pieces of content. I do them usually in the form of video. So I also need something called hooks, which is grabbing people's attention. So I just want to simply show you what it is that I do. This is already done for you. So let's just use it as a tool so that I can teach you the copy paste method. So any documentation that you have, whether it be an email, a Gmail, Drive, or a Word document, you're simply just going to find the word or sentence that you're looking to highlight and copy and then paste. So let's do it together. I'm simply going to highlight more free time. Automation does the boring stuff with your family, travel, or think up new ideas, right? So now I'm going to either right click on the mouse and there's going to be a copy button here. And then I can scroll down and right click again and hit paste. Oh, shoot. And hit paste with my right click. Boom, there it is right there. And for whatever reason, it just numbered it because I had 1 and 2 going. Now I can show you another way. This is a shortcut way to do it. It's utilizing your keyboard. So let's go down here and start over. So I'm simply going to use my mouth to select easy to grow as your business gets bigger. Now, instead of using my mouse, I'm going to use a shortcut, which is going to help you become more efficient with your time and get your content batched a lot quicker. Okay. So you're simply going to hit on a typical keyboard, Control C, right? At the same time, Control C. So I just hit Control C. Let's scroll down a little bit. Now to paste, you're going to hit Control V. So see how that worked? I just Control C, now Control V. Now the cool thing is, I'm going to show you another little tip. If I need to hit paste, when I capture that on a clipboard, it's going to allow me to just keep pasting. So I can paste as many times as I want, right? Easy to grow, easy to grow, easy to grow, easy to grow. So that's the cool thing about utilizing copy and paste method, because it helps to streamline your day and help you master that 2 hour workday that you're going to build. You're going to build a really strong muscle with that 2 hour workday every day, because as you go in your digital marketing business, you will find that you're going to be able to have so much time on your hands because you're streamlining and you're utilizing automation and you're utilizing tools that can help you earn 6 figures in 6 months. If you're interested in what it is that I'm doing, type I'm ready in the comments below. I'll send you the link, watch the video, and come join us into the digital marketing world.